Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be reviewing and doing a wear test of the new Wayne Goss waterproof mascara. Y'all, anything that he comes out with, I have to buy because I just absolutely love everything that he makes and I absolutely love him. He's absolutely fantastic. How many times can I say absolutely? But yeah, so I'm gonna apply mascara on camera for y'all today. What? Holy moly, who am I? And we're gonna see how this beauty performs. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, then just keep watching. Okay, y'all, so I know that I've talked before about how it's really hard for me to put mascara on, in particular on camera, but I'm gonna try to do it today. So we're gonna see how this goes. So here I have the new Wayne Goss mascara, the waterproof mascara. I'm gonna show y'all the brush. When he said that the brush truly picks up the most perfect amount every single time, like, he was not kidding. It literally picks up the perfect amount every single time. And the brush is super small. I say super small. It's not super small, but it is smaller. But honestly, like, I really love that because it's really easy to get into your lash line to kind of darken, like, closer to the base of your lashes, just to create that really pretty natural lash effect. It's so beautiful. So I've worn it once already and I really like it. It really is beautiful. I'm not a big fan of waterproof mascara in general, but I love Wayne Goss and I knew that his formula was going to be absolutely impeccable. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to get it and maybe this will be the waterproof mascara of my dreams. So I already have these lashes curled. So y'all pray for me. I'm going to try to put this on camera for y'all. I just gotta take a moment. I've been preparing myself for this, okay? But here we go. So, okay. I can't even do it, y'all. I can't believe I just did that. But I mean, that's one coat, y'all, okay? That is one beautiful coat. So let me come in just a little bit so y'all can see. It does really define the lashes and make them really long. And honestly, I mean, I do find too that it created a little bit of volume as well, but maybe that's just me. Just very long and pretty. So I have it on this eye, not on this eye. Just beautiful. Okay, so I let that dry down for a second and now I'm gonna go in and add a second coat. So again, I mean, I put the brush back in, but like he said, it really picks up the most perfect amount. So I'm gonna go in and add the second coat. So beautiful. That just kind of like took it to another level. I haven't done 3 coats yet. I don't know though. Like, I don't really know that I want to do 3 coats because just these 2, it's just so beautiful. See what I mean though? It's just, and I think I remember him saying whenever he was talking about this mascara that it wasn't going to be anything like these big, like, fake lash kind of lashes, just pretty natural lashes. And I mean, it's absolutely what it's described as. Like, it absolutely performs that way. It's so, so pretty. So I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and I'll be back. Okay, so I finished the other eye. I added 2 coats to that eye as well. And I also put a tiny, tiny little bit on my bottom lashes. It's so, so beautiful, you guys. So I am actually going to do a bit of a wear test for y'all with this, just to show you how it truly holds my lashes. Again, I live in Louisiana and I will check the temperature today, but it's extremely hot and it's extremely humid. So without actually dumping water on my face, I'm gonna be able to test out the curl, how it holds the curl, how my lashes look at the end of the day. So I will check in with y'all at the end of the day and we'll see how this held up. Hey y'all, okay, so I have had this mascara, well, all of this makeup on for 9 hours now. So the rest of my makeup looks a little worse for wear. I did like a pretty intense 30-minute workout. It was by Caroline Gervin. If you're not watching her too here on YouTube, her workouts are like insane. So I'll link her page down below in case you're interested in some really, really intense workouts. So I did that. I walked Mickey and it was extremely hot. So like I said, oh, I had a little friend pop up here on my chin. But anyways, the rest of my makeup, I'll link down below what I'm wearing. It's a little worse for wear, but that's okay because my mascara is still looking absolutely amazing. Like, it looks exactly the same as it did when I put it on 9 hours ago. It still has the curl. It hasn't smudged or flaked, nothing. It's absolutely amazing. So if you're looking for a good waterproof mascara that just gives you a beautiful curl, long lashes, super black but not too black, I highly, highly recommend the new Wayne Goss mascara. It's beautiful. It's phenomenal. I definitely continue wearing it, continue purchasing it whenever it runs out. It's amazing. And I forgot to mention earlier that I am wearing all of his other products as well. I'm wearing his eyeshadow palette in Imperial Topaz, liner in Precious Opal, his bronzer and contour Radiance Boosting Face palette in light gold. Earlier I had on his lipstick in Magnolia, but now I just popped on a little bit of the gloss in Cherry Blossom. So yeah, I love all of his products. I can't wait for the day when I get to say I have a full face of Wayne Goss on. That would be amazing. So yeah, y'all, I really love this mascara. I love all products by him. I will link his channel down below if you're not following him already, which if you're not, you're really missing out. You need to. And again, if you like all of my videos, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you're not following me on Instagram, it's at beautybykaylak. I'd love to see you over there. And thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.